All too often we throw away usable materials. In doing so, we generate 1.5 million tons of steel slag annually in Belgium. This is a residual product that remains after the production of steel. Vito and the Genk-based waste management company Recmix joined forces in order to put this waste product to good use. It was a waste stream we had difficulty with, so we hired Vito and, together with our researchers, looked at possible solutions.
Recmix had a problem. They were looking for a possible application for one of their residue streams, the fine-grained materials that they currently store on site. And we came up with the idea of doing something useful with it using CO2. That idea came about because we have years of experience in research into mineral waste on the one hand, and on the other, the interaction between CO2 and various materials.
This is an industrial product from a production process, and we're working with Vito to look for viable solutions. We hope the lab tests, which are promising, can soon be rolled out on an industrial scale. The result of this cooperation? Carbstone Technology.
Carbstone Technology is a process for producing high-quality construction materials. And the unique thing about the process is that we use quality mineral waste and CO2 as raw materials. An additional advantage is that we don't have to use cement to create this material, but we can use CO2. So we turn the gas into a solid, which sticks the slag granules together.
In the first step, the residue is mechanically prepared and mixed with water to create a homogeneous mixture. In the second step, the mixture is pressed into a given shape with a hydraulic press. Finally, it's placed in an autoclave and strengthened appropriately by treatment with CO2. The process was developed for a specific residue, namely steel slag. In future, it may be possible for other waste streams to be processed in the same way.
First and foremost, it's about the production of building materials, high-quality building materials. And there are many opportunities for this process, but you have to start somewhere. We chose to start with the development of dike blocks, materials used to strengthen levees or canal banks.
The new building blocks appear to be stronger. We need to do a study to ascertain whether they're as durable as other materials. But we're very optimistic and believe in the product. We think it opens up new perspectives for the future. Carbstone is currently hard at work on a pilot plant to industrialize this process, so we'll soon be walking on recycled stones.
It's very clear that for sustainable materials management and for closing the loop, you need innovation and good ideas that you can translate into practical applications. Carbstone is a very good example, and there remain opportunities for us to develop into a society that no longer speaks of waste, but of closing the materials loop.